Hello guys and welcome back. So for today we are just going to take this floor out here. So all this carpet we need to take it out and replace it with vinyl peel and stick tiles. So we are just going to replace that ugly carpet with some vinyl tiles that are going to stick onto the floor. They are coming already like that, so we just need to peel them and glue them. So yeah, first thing I'm just going to take all these old tiles of carpet out and replace it with that. So I already prepared my working space, let's call it like that, with some carpet protector because I don't want to damage this nice property. So let's start to take some of these tiles off. Some gloves. Okay, so now I just need a drill to take this thing off and we can start laying. This job is not that difficult, so it should be just a straightforward job. Yeah. So let's unpack these. So we have instruction manuals too. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to figure out from where to start, do all of my settings, right? So I know where I will have to cut, where is going to look better. So I'm just going to start with this one here, near to the door. And that is going to be my first cut. Easy. Okay, so my first two pieces are already cut and they are fitting nicely over there. We just need to start gluing now. So let's just glue them on. And our first two pieces are on. So let's get go quicker a little bit. So they are stuck on to the floor and right now we just have to do the same to all the pieces around here, do all our cuts, and hopefully everything is going to go well. Make sure that the floor is clean, doesn't have any dust or small stones or sand, such rubble like that, because it's not going to stick onto. This is a very good idea for a quick job, and yeah, it's not going to be that expensive. But in this case here, maybe you like to see bigger jobs than this, but for me it doesn't matter, big or small, you know, a job is a job. So let's carry on. Kind of messy right now, and I cannot really work when it's too messy. You cannot find stuff. So let's tidy up. Now it's much better. Now finally I can breathe a little bit. Don't like the mess. One more. And that was our last one. Phew. Let's clean up this mess now. And now I'm just going to seal all around the floor with some clear silicone and make it watertight. So okay, let's just do that. Okay, boys and girls, so our job, it just came to an end right now. This type of floor is not the best of vinyl floors that I put till now. It's not going to stick very strongly to the floor, and I double checked the floor was dried and cleaned, but still in some corners it's not sticking that well. But overall, everything now is done. It's not looking that bad. To tell you the truth, I would prefer to just put one piece of vinyl on top, and that's it. And you can see the floor right now. It's not looking that bad.
To see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Now, I would say it's definitely better than the carpet. That is 100% better. So you can see it right now, before and after. Before and after.
Great outdoor.
Yeah, okay. Guys, I think that's it for now. Of course, like the usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe this time, and see you on the next one. Bye.